Hello and welcome to this beautiful Type 2 4-bedroom fully upgraded townhouse in the Dreamz by the Noob Al Furjan. Entering the front door on the right, you have access to the kitchen and the living area. On the left, you have a downstairs bedroom, which is converted in a full hobby room. Very good for entertainment. Everything in this room will stay as is. Now entering a fully modernized and extended kitchen. If you do know the layout, you will see it's much larger than the original layout. Very nicely done. And then also going through to a large open plan living and dining space. Also have floor to ceiling windows and sliding doors for that natural light, and also a fully landscaped garden with a barbecue area. Everything in the garden will also stay as is. There's a lot of work put into this property. Definitely one of the best in the Dreamz community. The bathrooms has been beautifully renovated, and you also have a laundry. The property does have a total built up area of 3,150 square feet and is one of the larger layouts in the Dreamz. Now heading upstairs, you will find an additional 3 bedrooms. On the left, first bedroom, you also have your ensuite bathroom. And a large and spacious bedroom. On the left, you will find your master's bedroom. Very beautiful. Good storage. You have a walk-in wardrobe and again an ensuite bathroom. Again, as you can see, the bathrooms is fully renovated. On the left, you will see they've opened it up. This is a children's play nook and very easily convertible into an office corner as well. You also have some extra storage and again an additional sitting area upstairs. Another bathroom, and then the third upstairs bedroom. So this is a very beautiful, fully upgraded property on the market for sale now. We will also head out to see the amenities of the community. As you can see, walking to the amenities of the Dreamz, you have one of the largest parks in the Al Furjan community. Definitely beneficial for a family with children. You have your football field, sitting areas, large open space and greenery. and then more sitting areas, play area for children, and also a basketball court. This is a very beautiful community, a very beautiful, fully upgraded property. If you are available or want to book in viewings, you're more than welcome to contact the details provided.